Hi guys, my name is Dara Oladapo and I am a software developer, architect, cloud trainer and consultant. I have been in this industry for about 5+ years and I have interfaced with a lot of stakeholders from different walks of life, from beginners to professional developers to advanced developers, even to CEOs of companies. And this is just to say, I'm testing this video quality to see what it feels like to actually record in this sort of scenario that I am in, because this is mostly what I'll be recording with, and to check out what the audio quality feels like with the video syncing and all the audio that works. And just a little bit of fact for you to know is that I also play the saxophone. So I've been playing saxophone now for about 11 years thereabout. I actually started with the tenor saxophone, then moved on to the alto saxophone. I own the soprano saxophone, even though later much this year I plan to get another alto and a tenor saxophone so I can have a wide range of saxophones to play with. Also I plan to get an aerophone because I don't want to make noise when I'm doing my rehearsals, and also be able to do some wind synth processing, so I can mix and match my audio processes as much as I want to, really, because I want to I want to mix my own music for my background tracks and make all those beautiful things happen for myself. So pretty much that's it, guys. Thank you.